Telegram has rolled out such a powerful update that everything has fundamentally changed. This video will completely change your understanding of Telegram bots. The old text menus are officially dead. Today, the bot is a full-fledged application with a revived interface, colored keys, animated emojis wherever possible, full-screen effects, and avatar generation. Sales are managed by an integrated AI consultant, and inside mini apps, endless video tapes are deployed for online stores, ordering services, online courses, and interactive quests. Accept payments directly in the messenger. Moreover, bots now communicate with each other directly through the bot-to-bot function, linking any services into a single ecosystem. And the coolest thing is that every user who clicks Start Bot stays in your database forever, allowing you to send newsletters absolutely for free. In a selection of short 5-minute videos, I will clearly and without water show you how to run all this through the smart Questflow service. Without programming skills, just writing text to artificial intelligence what you need, or putting together a project using vibe coding. I have already posted all the examples and ready-made templates of multilingual bots in my Telegram channel. The free download link is right below this video. Go ahead and take it. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at the foundation of your bot's logic in Questflow, the start and additional start blocks. Take a look at the toolbar on the left. Here we have two starting elements. Let's begin with the first one, the green start block. Its mechanics are completely straightforward. This is the main entry point into your funnel. This specific block triggers automatically when a new user opens the bot in Telegram and taps the standard start button. Essentially, your entire main scenario is tied to this green block. The greeting, the main menu, or the introduction to your product is the classic starting point for any bot, but Questflow's functionality allows you to create much more flexible scenarios. What if you need to launch a parallel sequence of messages, not for your entire database, but only for a highly specific segment? For this, we use the blue block, the additional start. This is your tool for targeted interactions and hidden funnels. Let's see how this works in practice. Imagine this situation. You're hosting a live stream or a webinar and you want to reward your most active viewers with a personalized bonus, for example, a discount coupon. We drag the additional start block onto the workspace and connect it to the impact block. Why do it this way? So that our personalized discount doesn't get blasted to the entire bot database, but is delivered exclusively to our target group, the specific players or viewers we are currently interacting with. Next, we simply add a message block and type out the text, "Here is your personal discount." In just a few clicks, we've built a personalized promotional campaign that works flawlessly. Let's look at another common scenario. The additional start block is perfectly suited for setting up scheduled notifications. Suppose you need to warm up a group of users and send them an alert at a strictly defined moment. In this case, we take the additional start and attach a delay block to it. Take a look at the settings for this block. You can select a specific date, an exact time, and even your time zone. You visually build this chain just once, and the system handles all the routine work. The message will be delivered to your audience automatically, right down to the second. As you can see, by combining these two starting blocks, you get complete control over how and when your users begin interacting with your funnel. If you run into any difficulties at this stage, or if you have questions about setting up scenarios, feel free to reach out and I'll be happy to answer them. And now, let's move on.